if you can. Everybody duck down. Everybody duck down.
That's when the fear started kicking in. It stayed over us for a little over 30 seconds. And a little over 30 seconds of 100+ mile-an-hour winds that are slowly getting stronger.
Shut your eyes.
It literally felt like it was ripping the car in different directions at the same time.
You all right, Chris?
I'm bleeding.
Yeah, my eyes are bleeding.
So this year.
Have to drop down soon, aren't we? We gotta line it up right. Right here? Wow. Roll your window. Windows up. Here we go. Coming down. Tree coming down. I'm gonna point into the wind here. Easterlies, here it comes. Look at it. South of us. Look at it south. We got a drop.